Hello all, just the final stages of the faceplate onto the President Jackson. We've just got some warm soapy water. We've put about a cap full of dishwashing detergent in there, and that's just going to aid in moving the transfer around once we put it onto the face. So the first step is that we're going to remove this from the backing, and we're going to put it in there and count to 10. And then shake off the bubbles and everything, and just lay on the surface. Okay, the transfer has been laid on the surface. I've aligned all of the holes, the edges, and now we're just going to wipe with the microfiber, or dab it with the microfiber to push down. And there we go, the faceplate's on. It's looking very good. All right. Next step is just to put the lens back in. Okay, it's all done now. A little bit of cleaning. Finish it off. Let it sit there for a couple of hours just for the glue to dry, and it's ready for reinstallation.